today has been absolutely wild for XRP investors. Just when it seemed like the dust was settling, BlackRock, one of the most powerful asset management companies in the world, dropped a game-changing announcement that has sent shockwaves through the entire crypto market. If you're holding XRP, this is news you can't afford to ignore, because what BlackRock just did might completely reshape the future of this digital asset. This move has caught the attention of the entire financial world. BlackRock's presence in the crypto space has always drawn scrutiny, but today's development regarding XRP is on another level. It could very well be the spark that launches XRP into a whole new era of growth and mainstream acceptance. XRP has weathered plenty of storms over the years, from intense legal challenges to the roller coaster of crypto price swings. But now, with a global financial heavyweight showing strong interest, we could be on the verge of a major turning point. This announcement could be the boost XRP needs to skyrocket in value, attract large-scale institutional backing, and gain serious traction in the traditional finance world. The market is already reacting to the news, and the buzz is real. So what exactly did BlackRock do to get everyone talking? The firm, which oversees trillions in assets, just made a strategic move that involves XRP in a significant way, and it's sending ripples throughout the crypto community. If you've been holding XRP or waiting for the right time to jump in, this could be the moment that changes everything. Buckle up, XRP's next chapter is just getting started, and it could be massive. This is a game-changing development, especially since BlackRock has traditionally been cautious when it comes to cryptocurrencies. Their decision to engage with XRP marks a significant shift in how institutional investors are beginning to view this digital asset. BlackRock isn't known for making impulsive decisions, or when they act, it tends to influence the entire financial ecosystem. With their vast capital and extensive experience in global finance, their interest in XRP strongly suggests they see long-term value and growth potential. A firm of BlackRock's stature backing XRP is a major endorsement of Ripple's underlying technology, its ability to scale, and its real-world utility. It positions XRP as more than just a speculative asset. It's being validated as a critical tool in international finance, especially for facilitating cross-border transactions. This move underscores XRP's growing relevance beyond trading. It's becoming an integral part of the evolving financial infrastructure. What makes this development even more important is the potential for a major influx of institutional capital into XRP. Historically, institutional investors have been cautious about XRP due to regulatory uncertainty and lack of major backing. But BlackRock's involvement could change that. Their endorsement may open the floodgates, encouraging other hedge funds, banks, and financial firms to follow suit. This increased interest could lead to a sharp rise in both liquidity and demand, potentially driving significant price gains. Institutional participation often brings enhanced market confidence, and this could be the catalyst XRP holders have been waiting for. With BlackRock's influence, XRP is now firmly on the radar of major financial players. This could result in a wave of new partnerships, broader adoption, and rising token value. For XRP investors, this could be a defining moment. As more institutions get involved and the market reacts to this news, there's a real chance of seeing substantial growth. But the big question remains, what happens next? Let's explore the potential impacts this move could have on XRP and its investors going forward. BlackRock's backing could reshape the future of XRP in multiple ways. First, expect a domino effect among institutional players. When a financial heavyweight like BlackRock makes a move, others usually take notice and follow. This could lead to a wave of institutional support that brings with it increased liquidity and upward price movement. Next, BlackRock's involvement might make it easier for Ripple to forge new strategic partnerships. Ripple's technology has already been adopted by several banks and payment providers. But with BlackRock in the mix, even bigger players may come on board. The firm's reputation lends credibility that could open doors Ripple has yet to walk through. Increased adoption in global finance could enhance XRP's practical value and push its price higher. Another important outcome could be regulatory clarity. One of the main hurdles XRP has faced is legal uncertainty. However, with BlackRock's entry into the scene, regulators may feel more pressure to provide clear guidelines on XRP's status. This could further reduce risk for other institutional investors and unleash a new wave of capital and partnerships. And let's not forget the psychological impact. Institutional backing boosts market sentiment and investor confidence. When everyday investors see a firm like BlackRock putting its weight behind XRP, it legitimizes the asset and encourages broader participation. For long-time XRP holders, this could be a turning point. With institutional interest, expanding real-world use cases, and the potential for regulatory breakthroughs, XRP might be on the verge of a major breakout. And for those who have yet to invest, this development is a clear signal that XRP's role in the crypto space is becoming too big to ignore. Now, looking ahead at possible price trends, a BlackRock's entry could ignite strong upward momentum for XRP. Institutional capital tends to drive long-term growth, and as demand increases from both retail and institutional investors, we could see XRP set new records. Analysts are already speculating that, with enough traction, XRP could surpass its previous all-time high.